new video with Cactus FPV. Yesterday's spot weren't really what I was looking for, so today I checked Google Maps and I found this other place. I hope it's good. I'm not sure if the water there is frozen or not. Otherwise I think it's a cool spot with a lake and some open fields and some forest and all that. So let's go check it out. So here we have some open water, some nice, cool looking place. Never been here before. Alright, that was interesting. Last pack with a 5-inch. I was flying and I lost video. Crashed on the ice, smashed the prop and crashed again. But I found it in the snow. Unfortunately the GoPro stopped, but I have DVR. So check this out. It's super sketchy. That was that from this beautiful lake. It was super nice to just fly around with the long range, just chilling, you know. So that's it for this little video. Have a nice day. Bye.